Hey everyone, Alex here. Just thought I'd do a video about getting the belt around all the pulleys on a Neon SRT4. So if you're in the middle of doing your timing, obviously you know the pattern that you have to follow, but what happens when you try to get the belt over the tensioner, you're gonna see that it's not gonna go on that easily. So I haven't really seen a video technique about this. There were some shortcuts and tips mentioned in one of the videos that I watched, but just thought I'd put a quick video out there to explain. So you're gonna need a 13 millimeter over here, and you're gonna need a 1/4 inch with an extension or without an extension over in this area. So what you want to do is you want to loosen this bolt, not super loose, but enough that it's wobbly. And then you want to turn this, well, I'm not sure what exactly it is. It looks like just a giant washer, but I'm sure it's more than that. You want to turn this clockwise or counterclockwise. And when you do that, the whole pulley is going to turn around its axis, which is like an elliptical axis. So you want to do that and get it to the point where it's optimized and the belt has the least amount to travel over the pulley. So once you get it into that position, you should have no problem pulling the belt over the pulley. The other thing you can do is leave some slack here at the top. So don't put it across both pulleys, just leave it a little bit off towards the front. So maybe put it halfway through, get it around, line this up, and then go ahead and pull the belt over the pulley. After that, you're probably gonna wanna center moving this thing counterclockwise. Okay, so getting back here, you're gonna wanna move this counterclockwise until the metal spring clip, I'm not sure what to call it, the book calls it a tang or something, is in the middle between the two points here. I recommend looking at the owner's service manual, to get a better description. Once you have that lined up, you can go ahead and torque this to 25 Newton meters or 25 foot-pounds. I can't quite remember, but I'm gonna add a one-page slide at the end of this video that shows all the torque values that you need. Once you have that, go ahead and spin your engine twice clockwise until you get everything back in time and check. If these things here lined up and these two line up, then you're all set. I'd probably go ahead and spin this maybe another 10, 12 times. Make sure that everything is fine. Okay, so that's how you do it. You can keep this thing loose and then play around with the position of this component, and then the belt should go in easier. And I'm going to go ahead and post a page that shows all the torques that you need for all of these at the end of the video. But if you're already looking at this video, chances are you're already here and you already know what you have to do. Okay, good luck.